Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the HYLOGY Pulse Oximeter. It's one of these things you get in a doctor's surgery, you put it on your finger and you can see your oxygen level and your pulse. Always been fascinated by little bits of technology, and I thought, what the hell, let's have one. It was another one. It was they were always sort of around the 15 to about 25, maybe even £30 mark, and it was a lightning deal. And it was about £14, so I went for it. Because it has, some of them have only got an LED display, and this one's got a nice, what looks to be crisp, OLED display. So we'll have a look and see what that display looks like, and the size of the unit, and what batteries it takes. If I can get into the box. Okay, sheath box. Oh, okay, in a nice little bag, quite like that. Wasn't sure it was going to be oh, and batteries, excellent. The whole caboodle, good. Oh, something else as well. What's that? Oh, a lanyard. You get a lanyard with it. A little bag for all your drug dealers out there. Okay, so it's a lanyard with a snap-off end. I mean, I don't think this would be the sort of thing you'd need to keep on you all the time. I mean, it's a sort of occasional check sort of device. Anyway, it's a nice little black bag, and that has got the attachment there for the lanyard if you wish. It's also got a belt attachment as well. Oh, I suppose maybe ambulance or someone like that may, I don't know, they supply these tablets. You seem to see them everywhere these days. Quite commonplace now, aren't they? Pulse Oximeter. Okay. So I guess it just goes onto your finger like that. Let's just dive in without even looking at the instructions and see if we can get there without reading the instructions. Okay. Right. So positive that way. Oh, both positives the same way. Let me just check that I read that right. It's quite often it's one goes one way, one goes the other. No, both positives the same way. Okay. Right. So it has got an on-off switch here. Oh, goodness me. That's a pretty snazzy sort of... That's quite a snazzy sort of display. So let's see how it gets on. I can't quite bend my finger around enough to do this properly. Oh, I see, it's taking my heartbeat. Will it do an average, maybe? So I got 94 as my oxygen. I don't know if that's good or bad. I have to look it up, won't I? I'm trying to get this to focus. It's a bit tricky. There we go. It is a nice crisp display. 88. 90. I'm getting conscious. Try and get some more oxygen in. A little bit of hyperventilating there, see if it made any difference. Come on, focus, there we go. No, it's gone down. Oh, it's gone down even more, 93. I'm gonna die. Oh, 94. Pulse rate's gone up to 98. So, well, it's got a nice, oh dear, sorry. I'm looking at this thing and not at the camera. Try and get this into proper focus. There we go. So it seems to have a nice log on the bottom, a graph, and a very easy to understand. So the one on the left is a saturation of oxygen in blood, and the one on the right is your heart or pulse. Okay. 95. I don't know if that's that good actually. Oh, interestingly, it's just turned itself upside down if you want it to. So maybe a push. Oh, okay, do the other finger. It should be exactly the same, shouldn't it? So let's see. There we go. I'm taking some long, slow breaths. Do you know, I always thought my heart rate was lower than that, but there we are. So I just sat down here. A bit overweight, well, quite a lot overweight really. So, that's that. It's a nice... Oh my goodness, so you can actually have this display. Let's just show you. Get it to focus. You can actually have it that way, that way, that way. Take your pick. Well, that's interesting. So it couldn't give you any more choice than that, could it? So what do we get with it? We get their warranty card, 24 months warranty on there. Now we get this little booklet. English 1 to 10. So it gives you a product diagram. And some info I'll have to read up to make sure that I am using it correctly. And that's it for the English. Anyway, there we are. That's just a little quick look at what I call a family medicine cabinet item. So that's the HYLOGY Pulse Oximeter. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.